Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Bamboo Cutting Board. Cimeter offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches, accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with Cimeter's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking. Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. Slim design, big impact. With a sleek 3.58 profile, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster fits comfortably on any countertop without taking up much space. Part of our Fits Anywhere kitchenware collection, it's the perfect blend of style and practicality. One long slot for versatile toasting. The extra-wide, 10-inch long slot accommodates 2 slices of bread side by side or thick artisan breads like bagels, baguettes, and Texas-style toasts. No more squeezing or cutting, just perfect toast every time. Toasted perfection. 6 shade settings with a convenient cancel function allow you to customize your bread to your exact preference, from lightly golden to dark and crispy. Achieve your ideal toast with just a simple turn of the dial. Easy cleanup, clutter-free countertop. The removable crumb tray slides out for quick cleaning, ensuring your smart toaster stays tidy and operates efficiently. Cimeter Breaking Knife. Premium performance. Perfectly engineered carving butcher knife tapered to a razor-sharp edge for effortless breaking down, trimming, cutting, and skinning of meat. Razor-sharp Granton blade edge. Hand-sharpened edge at 14 to 16 degrees per side for maximum sharpness, edge retention, ensuring precision slicing every time. Full tang ergonomic design. Luxury packawood handle that is triple riveted for sure grip and absolute stability that ensures comfort and maneuverability. Laminated and polished for a sanitary build, perfect for busy kitchens. Premium German steel, precisely forged of high-carbon German steel engineered to perfection at 56 plus Rockwell hardness for long-lasting performance, rust and stain resistant. Lifetime warranty. We're proud to say we believe in our blades. Your Cutlux slicing knife comes with lifetime warranty against material or workmanship defects. Purchase without risk. Elite Gourmet Cast Iron Burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed at school, office, camping trips, or home. Efficient power. With a combined wattage of 1500 W, dual hot plates, and individual temperature controls, delicious meals can be cooked simultaneously. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. 7-egg capacity. Cook up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect, shell is easy to peel, and cleanup is simple. Ease of use. Fill pre-marked measuring cup with water to desired doneness, add to the cooking plate, press the power switch, and within minutes your eggs will be excellent. Fun and simple to use for the entire family. The auto shut-off function gets it right every time, and it's faster than conventional stovetop methods. Versatility. Whether pairing with avocado toast or preparing deviled eggs, the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker is an all-in-one egg boiler, veggie or food steamer, and more. Compact space-saving design, perfect as a back-to-school gift for dorms, apartments, RVs, or the office. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits into drawers for storage or just leave out on the counter as a fun and colorful accent to any home kitchen.